Downtown Visitor Center is more than just a relocation. It's a bold statement of the city's evolution. The Holt Experiential team collaborated with city leaders to seamlessly blend historic preservation with forward-thinking creativity. Through sophisticated design elements, the Holt Experiential team subtly branded Visit High Point to celebrate the city's rich manufacturing heritage while showcasing its embrace of new technologies and design-focused industries. The result is a modern, welcoming environment that reflects High Point's identity as a creative and collaborative hub. Interactive exhibits and thoughtfully curated spaces provide visitors with tools to explore over 100 furniture stores and discover regional attractions. Beyond being a source of information, the Visitor Center embodies High Point's commitment to fostering pride, driving tourism, and supporting economic growth. High Point's reimagined Visitor Center, where the city's past and future come together to inspire every visitor.